Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite show and mine, Maggie Tries to Bake Things. Today I'm trying to bake a 2-layer cake for my friend for her birthday. I've never done this before, but I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, watched a lot of baking shows, so I think I'm up for the challenge. So today we're going to be making a chocolate cake with buttercream frosting and strawberry in the middle of the layers, and also on top, so let's try this. I'm not confident. Before we start, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you never miss when I post a new video. So last night I baked these cakes. I used a box cake mix, and I baked them and I wrapped them in this plastic wrap just to keep them overnight because I don't want the strawberries to get all like icky. It smells so good. I don't love chocolate cake, but my friend does, so chocolate cake we have. So I'm gonna put these down here. They're a little crumbly. I use like an extra rich cake mix, so we'll see what happens. I also have 3 tubs of frosting because I am very, very much worried about things, so always good to have an extra in case you need to redo. I've like never worked with cake before. I don't know what I'm doing. It's fine. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a very large serrated knife and try and even these out, which, like, God help me. I don't have a turntable or anything, so I'm just gonna freaking do it. Like, I don't have any other option, so I'm just gonna freaking do it. Okay, here we go. This is actually, that really wasn't that bad. Look at that. It's almost even. That was actually quite impressive, I think. Cool. Okay, so we have layer 1. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on our cake stand. So I don't actually have a cake stand. I know I'm talking, you can't see my head. But my roommate has this thing that you use to like hold punch, which looks like a cake stand to me. So I'm gonna do it like this. And hopefully this little knob won't be too much of a problem. But if it is, we can always just like cut a little divot into the cake if need be. Okay, let's just do a little bit of like a boop. I feel like this is good. Oh my God, it's working. Okay, let me just show you what I did. So I put this right here, and there's like very minimal bubbling now. So, oh my God, this is perfect. I'm so excited. Yay. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same one with this one. Hopefully it does not end in disaster. I think that's good enough. And now, so this is gonna be the top of our cake. Cool. So now I'm gonna work on the filling. Just for, you know, measure, we have the bottom of our cake, the top of our cake, extra cake bits, put these over here. And I'm gonna cut up some strawberries and maybe mix them in with the buttercream. I'm just using store-bought because I can. And yeah, get ourselves a little middle going on. Okay, so I'm gonna slice some strawberries. I think I'm gonna cut some of them up so they're like smaller to mix in with the icing. And then I think I'm gonna slice some to put on the top. This is so fun. Baking is so fun. Why don't I do this more often? It takes a lot of time, that's why. So, let me get down here on your level. So my thought is I will take out some of the icing in this tin, put it in another icing tin, put the strawberries in here and mix it up in here just to save, you know, a bowl. Is that dumb? It feels kind of dumb. Maybe I'll choose a bowl. I'm gonna take this, put it into here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the strawberries in and fold them in very gently into this buttercream icing. Get in there. Okay, this might actually be enough. So now I'm gonna take my handy dandy offset spatula and spread this out. Now I'm gonna go get the other half and we will put the top layer on our cake. Get in focus here. Ready? Boom. We're gonna give it a nice little pat to make sure it's locked in. Oh, that's beautiful. Love it. From everything that I read online, the best way to ice a cake is to just put, literally just put a glob on top and then work it around the cake. So that's what we're gonna do. Amazing, and I'm very proud. I am probably going to put it like on a plate though. So I'm done with my cake and I'm going to decorate it. I think I'm going to use strawberries to decorate it, but I'm thinking I might move it onto, from this plate, which I'm like nervous, onto like an actual serving thing. This will also hopefully take off any works for me. So strawberries. I was thinking to do strawberries like around the outside and then on top maybe like layered. I have like an idea in my mind. I'm just not sure. Ooh! Whoa. The pinky almost came off. Okay, I don't know how to decorate a cake and I feel like this is like a little bit weird, but whatever. I mean, they say less is more, so I'm gonna go with that. But yeah, this is my cake. This is it. I tried to do like a off-center decoration thing. I'm like, should I bring it down? Maybe that's what it's missing. It's like weird that it's just like on top and not anywhere else. But yeah, this is my cake. I think it looks nice. If not, kind of weird. But pretty. Definitely pretty. Okay, the cake is done. I'm going to record my friends' faces when, oh, you can't see me. I'm gonna record my friends' faces when they see it. I feel like that'd be a good, like, very, like, rewarding end to this video. So I will see you in a couple hours when they're here.